We'll guide you through how to enable text-to-speech in Streamlabs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Streamlabs desktop on your computer. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side menu and click on the Alert Box tab. This is where you can manage all your alerts, including text-to-speech. In the Alert Box settings, you need to scroll down to find the specific alert you want to add text-to-speech to, like donations or subscriptions. Click on the tab for the alert type you want to edit. Now, under the settings for that alert, locate the text-to-speech section. Make sure to toggle the text-to-speech switch to the ON position. When you do this, more settings will appear, allowing you to customize your TTS preferences. You can select the voice you want from the drop-down menu, adjust the volume slider to set how loud the TTS should be, and specify a minimum donation amount if you're setting it up for donations. This ensures that TTS will only activate for donations meeting or exceeding that amount. Once you've adjusted these settings to your liking, make sure to click Save Settings at the bottom of the page to ensure all your changes are applied. It's also a good idea to do a test alert to see if everything's working correctly. Go back to the top of the Alert Box settings and click the Test button to simulate an alert. You'll hear the text-to-speech if it's set up correctly. This is a great way to personalize your streams and interact more with your viewers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.